Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to earn money with Arc8 application. Here you can see all the games you played in lots tournament and games you can play to earn money. You can earn tokens here by inviting friends to the app. Then you earn money on say you have the amount to withdraw. I recommend to earn with highest tokens app in currency because you will earn money faster. There are also daily quests and game which is cool. Here you can see what you have earned on the application. There is also season rewards. If you get highest tokens or currency, you can earn money. It's like a leaderboard of worldwide players that play on this application. Every season new things are added to the application. Here you can find the amount you have, like wallets and more. I will play one game to show you, but you need to win 7 to win the 1.5 blue token. As you can see, I have completed the game in less than 30 seconds.